Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And before starting anything, guys, I wanted to ask a question to you, straightforward. So, guys, have you ever felt to yourself you're not good enough? Means everyone else is learning faster than you and moving ahead and achieving something, and you are stuck at same thing with same level. If you're feeling and if you have ever felt like this, so today's story is for you. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a boy, and it's all about how to start from zero and still win it. So let's start without wasting our time. So there was a once little boy in the village, and he was a very cheerful child who just like his life was very simple. Just run in green fields and enjoy with his cousin, play with his friends, eating mangoes, running and playing. No comparison, no pressure, just enjoyment and just joy. And that's how he was living in his village. But one day his family moved to a city, big city, like where is traffic out there, where is the crowded street. So that boy felt boy felt lost. Like suddenly for him his entire world has changed, and that's how real struggle started for him. That's how he has started his new journey, new life from that city. After a long time, he went to a school to that city, and he started his new life, his new journey with hope of, what he thought, I'm going to make a new friends in school, I'm going to find new my best friends who I will play with them, and like these things he thought, and he made that hopes. But when he went there, it was completely opposite. There was nothing to do. Like he was very bad in studies. For him math was like kind of script code for like by written by aliens, and he was like not good at anything in studies. He was stumble every time in reading. He was yeah, overall he was, and like people are every time laughing on him. His classmates were laughing, and teacher was scolding on him every time. He just felt very small, and he felt invisible. Isn't it, guys? Sometimes we also feel like this whenever no matter whenever you do it, you get failed in test, you got not good marks, and you whenever you give a mock test, you're not seeing those results, your accuracy, your ranks. We feel bad that much, completely dejected and left out. So, but in this story, that story didn't end there, guys. So one day a new classmate had joined in his class, and let's suppose his name was Sam. Okay, so how it starts, actually when he started reading, he stumbled, and a whole class laughed, and but that boy didn't, because he knows like how like the feeling, how we feel. So when break happened, and that boy was sitting alone, that new one, and that boy, our one, went to him and he said, hey buddy, means not like this, but he said, hey brother, I'm also good at I'm also not good at reading. Then that's how it started. They are talking each other. That's how actually, to be honest, it became the brotherhood story begin. They became very close to each other because they both were not good at studies. They became very close to each other. They used to play together, they used to eat food together, they were sharing lots of stories together, how he was living his life in village and how he survived in this big city with no friend. And they were sharing each other. They became very close to each other, like a really true friend and like a brother. Every time they went each other homes to eat foods, and like a kind of real brother. So but what happened one day they were sitting in a under a street light, and with a tone notebook, and eating Parle-G biscuit. And suddenly Sam said, he said, why not, I'm just tired of these things, I'm just completely tired, and I wanted to do something, I wanted to change it. We can't live our life like this. by getting scolded by our teachers, by getting laughed by our classmates. I wanted to change it. Let's do something, my friend. And that boy nodded his head and said, okay, let's try it. So what they did, they started from the beginning, from the zero. They planned, we are going to learn first of all from the beginning thing. I know these are very shameless thing, like and because at that moment all students were preparing for the advanced studies, for exams perspective way. But those boys started from the zero, from ABC, run fast, sun, and like how they started from numbers. And yeah, that's how they continually, relentlessly started working, one page reading, one page writing every day, sharing the problems, the solution each other, helping each other. So slowly and slowly started, like results started showing up. They started understanding and they started reading, numbers started clicking in their minds, and everything started making sense. So that's how they started improving in their studies. And one day when results came, like everyone got surprised by them. When results came, even teacher, when he announced that result for them, he got also shocked how they improved, because they never showed that improvement in class. They were used to bunk the class. Then how he realized they didn't bunk those class for playing. They bunked those class for practicing, by learning each other together. So everyone got shocked, because that boy got 75% marks, and that Sam got 76% marks. And everyone got shocked, and first time they felt very proud in their teachers' eyes, and they felt belong from them, and they really felt very good feeling. And they both were happy that day. They both went to their favorite sport, and they eat that parleji again together, and they laugh together. So that's how it went. And their parents also were shocked. Lots of people, their neighbors, started talking about them. They really made it from the zero. They were completely dumb and like this. So let's try to connect this story to us, guys. There are lots of people who are preparing for competitive exams, SSC, UPSC, any competitive exams, and there are lots of people who are learning English language. And sometimes you get failed in exams, and sometimes you are not seeing any improvements. And few speakers, they like suddenly your mind get blank, no any words come out in your mind. So these are guys, like that, like as compared to like that boy, that village to city face. Okay, you will, yeah, your mind is trying to adjust everything, like something is bigger. You have experience. So it's like that's how it works. It takes time to adjust. It takes time to observe everything. So if you will get failed, so you have to find that like Sam person, like how he found that friend, like a teacher, like your inner voice. It shouldn't, like, it doesn't mean you have to need a person. It could be anything. It could be your God, it could be any belief, it could be in your inner voice, it could be your another version of yourself, it could be anything. Just find your Sam and start doing from the beginning. Yeah, completely from zero, and do one page writing, do one thing, 1% of that work, but daily basis, continuously, relentlessly, just do it. That's how we can relate this story to us. And guys, I wanted to tell you very I wanted to tell you something. Actually, that boy was me. Okay, there was my friend who I found, and I started working, how I changed my life. And right now, whatever I am here, every time I apply that my mind story on everything. When I started my journey of preparation for competitive exams, I applied that journey and I started from zero. Yeah, it's taking lots of time, to be honest, but I'm not missing anything. Everything is making, making sense for me. So I'm not missing anything. At least I will not regret I have left something in my studies. So I have applied my own things. That's why I'm sharing here. Otherwise, I would not like to share anything which I have never experienced in my life. And right now I'm also an English learner who improving day by day, and trying to improve means I'm not a good fluent speaker like as a native speaker or as an advanced speaker, but I'm a B1 speaker who is trying to improve, who's trying to learn vocabs day by day. So this is his guide. I was that boy, and my friend was actually right now doing job, but I had also chance to do job, but I skip. I thought let's do it another field. Let's try it competitive exams. So I'm also preparing for competitive exams, and I'm also learning this language. So that's why I'm sharing my journey here. So if someone if this story can help someone, then I will feel really happy. So that's why I shared. Okay, so that was this, guys. If I could change from childhood to village life to this city life, and I adjusted everything from the zero, so anyone can do, guys. And I'm still working on that story till now. I'm working on that phase. I also get filled a lot of time. I also get frustrated, but I'm not stopping myself. I'm never give up myself. I just try to do from different part and different approach. I never get tired. So this is going to be my last message, guys. It doesn't matter how you have started. The matter is how you have ended, and the middle part, the process, how you worked, what methods you applied, how the journey was. Because overall, and overall, but whenever you will get succeed, it will fade out, but the journey you will never gonna forget till your death. So that was it. Okay, so that's it. So let's end this video, otherwise I will exaggerate everything like this again and again. So let's end it here. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye.